There was a time when supercars seemed simple: a screaming engine behind the driver, a dramatic shape, and one purpose: to make people dream. But today, the automotive world is facing an uncomfortable reality. The future is arriving faster than many enthusiasts expected. Electrification is spreading across the industry. Emissions regulations are becoming stricter, and legendary performance cars are disappearing one by one. Which is why Audi's latest move feels so important. Because after years of uncertainty, the spirit of the R8 may finally be returning. Only this time, it could arrive with something nobody expected: a Lamborghini heart powered by the future. And that raises a fascinating question. Is Audi preparing to save the supercar or redefine it completely? Before we dive into the story, if you enjoy automotive documentaries that explore the trends, risks, and innovations shaping the future of the industry, subscribe to the channel. We look beyond specifications to uncover the bigger stories behind the world's most important vehicles. Now, let's talk about why the rumored 2027 Audi Nuvolari could become one of the most significant performance cars of the decade. For years, the supercar market has been caught in a strange transition. Customers still crave emotion. They still want the sound, drama, and excitement that made performance cars legendary. But governments and manufacturers are... And the last time you see a supercar, research tells you that we're realistic for achieving. The R8 wasn't just another Audi. It was proof that technology and passion could coexist. And for years, it served as one of the most accessible exotic supercars in the world. Now, according to industry reports, Audi may finally have a successor. And the strategy behind it reveals a lot about where performance cars are heading next. The rumored Audi Nuvolari isn't expected to simply copy the old R8 formula. Instead, it appears Audi is developing something more ambitious. Reports suggest the vehicle will take inspiration from Lamborghini's latest design language while maintaining Audi's own identity. That means dramatic proportions, sharper aerodynamics, and low levels of work will last all through one of the other. And a more futuristic appearance than anything we've seen from Audi's performance division before. But the design story goes deeper than styling. Modern supercar buyers expect far more than speed. They want technology, comfort, connectivity, and everyday usability. Those were qualities that helped make the R8 successful. The Nuvolari appears ready to continue that tradition. Expect a highly digital cabin, advanced driver displays, premium materials, and technology that allows the car to feel equally comfortable during a spirited mountain drive or a long highway journey. Audi understands something many manufacturers are learning. Performance alone is no longer enough. Modern buyers want experiences, and experiences begin the moment you open the door. This is where the story becomes truly interesting. Reports indicate the Nuvolari could share its foundation with the Lamborghini Temerario. If true, that means Audi enthusiasts may be getting access to one of the most advanced powertrains ever developed within the Volkswagen Group. At the center is a twin turbocharged V8 engine working alongside multiple electric motors in a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. Combined output is expected to exceed 900 horsepower. That number would place the Nuvolari far beyond the final R8 models and firmly into modern hypercar territory. Yet raw power isn't the most important part of the story. The hybrid system represents Audi's attempt to bridge two worlds: the emotional excitement of internal combustion and the instant performance benefits of electrification. Unlike fully electric supercars, this approach allows Audi to preserve much of the character enthusiasts still love while dramatically improving performance and efficiency. In many ways, the Nuvolari may become Audi's answer to a question the entire industry is asking: can hybrid technology actually make supercars better? Fuel economy figures remain unknown, but limited electric driving capability is expected to improve efficiency compared with traditional high-performance V8 supercars. Audi has not officially confirmed pricing. However, based on its rumored technology, Lamborghini connection, and performance targets, industry estimates suggest a starting price between $220,000 and $280,000. So, that would position the Nuvolari above the outgoing R8 and directly against competitors such as the Porsche 911 Turbo S, McLaren Artura, MCA T20, and even certain Ferrari hybrid models. This isn't simply a replacement. It's a move up market. Audi appears determined to prove that it belongs in conversations traditionally dominated by exotic brands. And that ambition could change how buyers view the entire Audi performance lineup. Even in the supercar world, expectations are changing. Modern buyers want speed, but they also want confidence. The Nuvolari is expected to benefit from Audi's latest suite of advanced safety technologies, driver assistance systems, high-strength structural engineering, and sophisticated electronic stability systems. What's remarkable is how performance cars have evolved. Not long ago, safety was something enthusiasts were willing to sacrifice. Today, buyers expect their vehicles to deliver both excitement and protection. And Audi understands that balance better than most. The rumored 2027 Audi Nuvolari is about far more than replacing the R8. It's about Audi's vision for the future of performance, a future where electrification isn't the enemy of excitement. Audi wasn't a future where hybrid technology enhances emotion rather than replacing it. And perhaps most importantly, a future where supercars continue to evolve without losing the qualities that made us fall in love with them in the first place. Whether the Nuvolari ultimately lives up to the legacy of the R8 remains to be seen. But one thing is already clear. Audi is no longer asking whether the future is coming. It's preparing for it. But what do you think? Can a hybrid-powered successor truly capture the spirit of the legendary R8? Or was that era destined to remain in the past? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy exploring the stories shaping the future of the automotive world, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more automotive journeys ahead. Thanks for watching.